you should probably go. That'd be good. You should probably go. Wait. I thought you said you had to go. Because, I don't know about you, but I was just gonna get naked and hang out in the back. But if you have to go...
Ooh. You need to get a real bed.
I have a real bed.
Mattress in an attic is not a bed.
You hungry?
Oh, thanks.
There you go. Let me get a little sauce on there. There you go. On there.
These are actually pretty good.
It's ranchero. Make it in-house.
In-house?
Uh-huh. You're looking at a restaurateur, kid. So you got the European qualifiers at El Coruña next, right? When are you leaving?
I'm not.
What do you mean?
I've served 5 events. Made it past the first round twice.
Okay, well, it's heat by heat. You know that. It's your first year.
Yeah, well, sponsors aren't exactly lining up to hand me 60 grand to fly around the world and lose.
You have the ability. It's just a mental game, so you're in your head too much.
I'm going back to UCSD.
Plenty of people have a rough first year. Okay, look at AI. Took him, what, 2 years to qualify?
I don't have 2 years. Or $100,000.
All right.
I liked college. It's not the end of the world. I gotta go meet Taro. See if I can get my old job back.
You didn't eat. You want me to take this to go?
No. Hey, maybe I'll see you later, though. I'm around now, so.
Okay. See you later.
Goodwin worked through his retainer and then some.
What's this?
His bill.
You're kidding me.
I'm not. And I don't need it right away, but mine's in there as well.
When's it due?
His is due now. He's a highly sought-after criminal defense attorney. He doesn't come cheap.
Yeah, you know we're good for it.
If you're having some cash flow problems, Josh, you can talk to me. I'm your attorney, too. That means our conversations are privileged.
Smurf's got a lot of bills, and I'm not sure how to cover.
You have to pay the bills. Tens of thousands of dollars run through Smurf's buildings every month. If rent stops just because Smurf goes to jail, it might give the cops the impression that her real estate business is nothing more than a money laundering operation. Have you talked to your uncles?
They won't work, not for Smurf. If I wanted to sell a building, how would I do that?
Oh, you can't. Not right now, anyway. The DA is looking into Smurf's finances. You sell a building, it gives them a more complete picture of her business. Although we could do a private sale.
What's that?
Well, you sign over several properties to a corporation in my name. I get a mortgage on it. I front Goodwin the cash. I give some to you to cover the bills.
But that would mean that you own the properties.
We could sort that out when Smurf gets out.
If she gets out. No. Not yet. I'll let you know if it comes to that.
Okay, good. We wouldn't want Smurf to end up with a public defender straight out of UC Irvine, right?
No.